Yeah, I think when people talk about AI, especially, these days, they're thinking about, typing in a simple prompt and getting a very automated, kind of formal response. When you think about SolidWorks, I think people kind of think the same thing. Like, I want to be able to kind of enter a prompt and get some sort of output. And really, that's something DriveWorks can do. It's not necessarily an AI tool, but what we're doing is we're building in some logic so that you can have kind of simple, easy to understand inputs with very complex outputs for production and manufacturing.
Okay.
Um, and yeah, I think a lot of people just aren't aware of how powerful DriveWorks can be as an automation tool.
Yeah, well, maybe we can look at some of the nuts and bolts of it then, because I think with something like this too, and like any traditional programming project I've done, which I've not done a lot, a little bit. I have when I started using stuff around here, actually for MLC, I grabbed the Python book Automate the Boring Stuff, which I feel like really, is
Nice.
telling. Yeah, it's what you're doing. But for this type of stuff, I want to be really detailed. Like I was making like a lot of PDFs. I needed information in a certain spot. I couldn't have it mess up, or what like AI people would call like a hallucination, right? I couldn't give it any freedom. It's like you need to do exactly this task or fail at it and tell me why you failed. Like no
Yes.
room for error. And I feel like that's probably true of DriveWorks too. Like we need to nail down the details.
Yeah, I think that's where DriveWorks is really offering some benefit over kind of AI in the true sense is with a lot of the AI tools out there, you don't really know what you're going to get as an output, and sometimes you can even ask the same question twice and get a different response. With DriveWorks, that's not the case. We're building in very standardized logic so that we have automated outputs. We're eliminating, errors in engineering and design, errors that pop up on the shop floor. We're going to build very predictable output responses just based on logic and DriveWorks. So we can definitely show you how that's done.